prince. Onoche, you should come now. Our prince is back. My prince, how are you? How is America? Look at your body. What is this one? What is the name? You want people. Anyway, you are welcome, my prince. Where are they now? Who's those here? Onoche! Where? Come, our prince is here!
I had a gunshot. Is my prince back?
Gunshot?
Yes. Are they here? Talk to me.
Oma, please. The dining table is not set yet.
Okay.
And we should be
But
fast.
is he here already? Is he here now, please? Oh, my prince. You're back. Welcome. Do you remember me? It's me, your Oma. You do call me beautiful. Yes. You're welcome, my prince. Oh my God. Okay. It's time to go out. Shape the intact.
Where's father?
My prince, why don't we first go inside? You know you traveled a very long distance to this place.
Well, I know. That's the main reason I want to see my father.
Son, can we go inside, please? Yes, please, after.
Father? Where's father?
My prince, we would rather sit down and tell us how you're doing.
Exactly. So, how is America?
Mom, where's father?
How is everything? And how was your study?
Son, the dining is set. Shall we?
What are you saying? I don't want to eat. I just want to see my father. Where is he?
Why didn't you just eat first?
I know, but I don't feel like eating anything now. I just want to see him. You know what? Let me quickly see him in the bedroom. I'll be right back. Good, right? All right, see you later.
I think we should tell him.
Tell him what? Look, the only thing we should tell him now is lie. Yes. Let him settle down first.
When did he die?
It's over a month now. My prince, you really need to be strong.
Tell everyone to go.
But my prince...
Tell everyone to leave this palace now. Now!
It's okay. I will do that. He says we should leave.
What about the food and everything?
Food?
Yes.
I can't fathom what is wrong with you. I am very sure that it was food that killed you in your past life. Huh? We are talking on serious business like this, you are talking on food. Get up, let us go.
Oh no. Will his anger kill this moment?
If you like, bury yourself here. Stay here. When you are ready, you can go.
I can't stay alone now.
You see, I really do love your sister. I really do. All I want is for her to give me a chance.
The truth is that my sister is blindly in love with someone I think is not even in love with her.
I can take care of her heart. If I don't love her, I wouldn't be here.
You don't need to tell me. I'll do my best to make sure she listens to you. I think you are a good man.
Thank you very much.
I've been meaning to say this. Why do I perceive this aura of royalty around you? Are you royalty? I mean, are you a prince?
Well, I'm not from a poor home, by the grace of God.
I wish that answered my question.
Son, you have to take heart.
How could you hide such a thing from me?
It was the idea of the royal cabinet.
So, celebrating my homecoming is more important than father's corpse lying in the mortuary?
That was the only way to calm the situation. I'm sorry.
What happened to me?
Brenda. Princess Rhoda set him up. She set my husband up.
Princess Brenda set father up. How?
Is it not better she tell you herself? Up until now, she has refused to show remorse. She just killed my husband. She made me a widow. She swept the carpet off my feet. You know how much I loved your father. I am nothing without him. She has just ended my... Obi! Oh, Obi! Obi, calm down! Oh my world!
Obi, you're back. Welcome.
What did you do to father? Start talking. Don't even try to lie to me.
My brother, if you can sit down, I will tell you how it all happened. For the meantime, here is not safe for you. Those elders are not happy that you are alive. So you need to leave, please.
I ask again. What did you do to father?
Obi, you know me. I am not capable of having... Yes, this is the foundation of royalty. I got it. Let's walk again.
It's not here. Come back for you. Murderer.
It's okay. Please, I beg you in the name of God. My son.
This is unbelievably disgusting. It is not less. Then what happened? How can you beat up your sister in her condition?
Because of what she did.
And what did she do?
Listen.
What are you still doing here? I thought I asked you to leave.
Sister, can you please calm down?
Oh, please shut up.
Just calm down and hear him out. I'll keep talking to her and I hope someday she listens to me.
It's alright. It's alright. Who's that?
I don't know.
Gochi. Gochi, please, I know you're in there.
So you're a beast. You treat your sister like an animal, yet you profess love to me? Huh. You will never make a good king.
At least ask me what she did.
So, what did she do?
My mother said she caused the death of my father.
So, how did she cause your father's death?
I was told that she went all the way.
You cannot talk. I said it. I said it that you can never make a good king. Do you remember when you were about leaving for America? I once told you that you're so full of arrogance. I was not wrong after all.
Oh, come on, girl. What would you have me do? Do you expect me to applaud her for killing our father?
Oh, please just stop it. Stop it. See, listen to me. I am done. I don't want to have anything to do with you ever again.
You shouldn't be quick to...
Excuse me.
Hey. Oh yeah, you had a young lady. She's done. So advise you pick your ring and you dash out.
Who the hell are you? Do you know who I am? Are you mad? What? You out of your mind? How dare you? How dare you help me?
You mad? How dare you? You dare to stop me? Do you know who I am? Are you mad? Get out of here, the both of you. Get out!
Thank you, sir. I said get out. My prince. Is it painful?
Rubbish.
My prince. Is it painful?
Get him! Get him!
Where?
Get that fool!
Where is he?
Where?
Hey, my prince. Is it paining you?
Get that fool!
My prince. Where is he? Where is he? My prince. My prince.
It's okay.
Please.
Sorry.
Okay, you'll be fine.
I don't know what I did to Obi. I don't know what I did to him to deserve this. Where did I go wrong?
No, I wish I could do something. Hey, just stop crying. Stop crying, okay? I will go and buy drugs for you. Please. Stop. It's okay.
Hey, no. You're welcome.
Thank you.
No.
Please go and get me water to drink.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, Papa. Michael was here.
Which Michael?
Michael, my love now, Papa.
Oh.
He's serious about us getting married. So he said he's coming with his people to come and pay my bride price.
Olako, please tell Michael to wait. This is not the right time for that. Moreover, you are not running away.
Papa, I don't understand what you mean by this is not the right time for that. Am I not old enough to get married?
My daughter, don't get me wrong. I know you are old enough to get married. I have so many things on my hands right now. I cannot afford to have any form of celebration in my house when the royal household is on fire. The New Yam festival is around the corner. Prince Obinna needs to marry before then. Also, we need to have a king sitting on that throne before the New Yam festival. So let us wait, okay? Tell him to wait.
So, Papa, what you are trying to say now is that I have to wait until Prince Obi finds a wife, marries, before I can get married to my love. What if he doesn't find a wife until next year? I'll have to wait till then.
Olako, the New Yam festival is this year. So the issue of next year does not come in at all. And by the way, why are you talking in desperation? Just, look, tell Mike to just relax, calm down. After all this, after the New Year festival, then he can come with his people. Okay?
Papa, I'm a woman. No. Time is not a friend to any young woman.
children of nowadays.
My prince, do you want anything now?
Let's keep it straight, eh?
What is wrong with his leg?
My queen, one idiot.
Shut up.
Oti,
My queen.
I am asking you, what happened?
I need...
Look, I need you to find out who that rogue is. His father, his house, every details about him. No one fucks with me and goes cut free.
Exactly, my queen is an idiot.
Oh, fuck. Damn. This shit hurts.
Obi. Obi. Obinna. Obi! Obi, open the door. I know you're in there. Open the door. Obinna! Obinna is your mom. Open the door. Obi. Please. And what's funny?
You know what? I had someone asking, my prince, do you want to eat now? Oh my God. Oma, you know what? The prince is not your class. So the earlier you stop this madness of yours, the better for you. Just an advice.
Mrs. Advisor, thank you, but please stop snitching around.
Oh my prince, do you want to eat now? My prince, do you want to eat now?
What exactly happened at the palace?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it?
Yes. And I don't want to talk much. Please let me be.
If you don't want to talk about it, then it must be something terrible. I sense he has beat up someone he's not supposed to beat. And that is why my sister is angry. So tell me, who did he beat?
Ebere, you're rudely becoming too forward these days. If I say I don't want to talk about something, don't force it out of my mouth.
You're my sister. Whatever bothers you bothers me too.
And when did you become a mother? Like I said, I want to think.
Well, I will not allow you to think about a man who doesn't want it. Do you mind if I get you something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
Let me get you some mangoes.
Has he gone?
Who are you talking about?
The gentle lion.
We don't have any gentle lion in this house, though.
I mean the young man that beat up the prince.
Oh, he has gone home. Any problem?
No problem at all,
Oh, if you want to meet with him, you can wait for him to come back.
Am I mad? Me? I don't want to meet him. I'm only here to find out the name of his father and the kindred that he's from. Do you know his village or the town he's from?
Who wants to know?
I just want to make inquiry to know where he's from and the name of his father. That is all.
I am not in the position to answer that question. If you want to meet with him, you can sit down and wait for him. Or should I call him on the phone and tell him that you want to know who his father is?
No, don't worry. I'll just go and come back. I will come back later.
I hope he has not come back here again.
I brought some mangoes.
I told you I don't want mangoes.
Sister, can I ask you this question? What do you really want in life? I mean, what type of man do you want? Do you want a man that will genuinely love you? Or you want an arrogant man that will play with your emotions?
Ebere, I have told you. You're becoming too forward and I do not like it. For God's sake, when did you become my guardians? I am your elder sister.
Of course. And you are very lucky to have a younger sister that cares about you. So back to my question. Do you want the latter or the former?
Again, what is it? Why can't you just leave me alone? You think I enjoy all this drama? Listen, I only give ears to men who respect my decisions.
What exactly are your decisions, my lady?
Give me some space. Give me peace.
Why do you hate me this much? No, tell me. Because ever since our university days, I have been trying to make things work.
Can you just give up already? Can you? Whatever happened in our university days should be left there. And what makes you think I have feelings for you?
Give me a chance to prove to you that I'm the man you can trust. All I need is one chance.
And you think you know my kind of man?
Well, if you must know, I'm not going anywhere until you give me a positive answer. Right here. So, take your time. Think about whatever. I'm here. I'm waiting. Just take your time.
What we should do now is to fix a date for the burial ceremony of our late king. So that Prince Obi can quickly get married and be crowned the next king. You know the throne is not supposed to be without a king. During the New Yam festival, as long as there is an heir. That is our tradition, and we should abide by it.
Iche, you are very right. As you know of this great kingdom, there is no way I will allow our tradition to be breached. But you know we still have 2 months to do all that. So there's no need to be in a rush.
2 months is barely few weeks from now. A stitch in time, they say, saves 9. Let's bury our king.
Iche, You are very correct. I have a lot to tell you.
You've been saying this for the past 2 weeks. And you've not even told me anything. Even the mortuary, where the king's body is deposited, you've not even told me the name.
That is why I said you should calm down. I have a lot to tell you. Just calm down, okay? By the way, thanks for the caller. It's alright. Very good.
Anaya bataya namba
I don't think it is healthy for me to keep this secret to myself. Is it really a secret? I think I need to divulge this secret to Icheuzozie. He's a noble man. Besides, if something happens to me, who will tell the truth? I need to see him.
Icheuzozie? Icheuzozie? Oh no.
Is everything all right? Have you come to tell me the name of the mortuary where our king's body is deposited? This is something you should have told me long ago. I am in the right position to know. Oh no, you're not saying anything.
Excuse me. I'll come back.
Something must be going on that I need to know. And what must be that thing? I must find out.
The throne is never for free, but the crown is neither for sale. The mystery goes beyond what your eyes can see. The price is higher than what your mind can save. Anayemete yanike, anayemete yanike nuwe. Oche.
My queen. Yes, what? Princess Blinda is terrible hot. She's bleeding from the nostrils.
Will you get out of my sight?
Yes, my queen.
Open the gate!
Good afternoon, my sister.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Is Oma in?
Yes, I think she's in.
Oh, Oma.
And what is this wretched, stinking fool doing here? What are you doing in this palace? Have I not warned you not to step your feet into this palace? What are you doing here?
Oma, I just want to tell you that I'll be going overseas.
You came to tell me that you're traveling?
Yes.
As what? As what? Your wife or kid sister? Tell me! Now listen, you better leave before I pour water on your body.
Okay, fine. Can I at least have your number so that if I go over there, I can call you? That's all.
You must be silly.
Oma.
Listen,
Why is she treating me like this?
I think you should start going on because Oma is very wicked.
Alright, no problem.
Oma.
Oh.
What's the meaning of this?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this, okay? So sorry.
Look at my body.
So sorry. I'm the cause of all this. Alright? I'm so sorry. Please. So sorry.
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, and you have no shame, Oh yeah, and you have no shame. Bad woman, sneaking around.
Yes, I'm good. How are you? Yes, should I come for the money now? I told you I need to change my clothes and look good for the funeral and coronation that is coming. What? Really? Oh my God, where are you now? Honey, I am coming out right now to get the money. Just stay where you are, don't leave. I love you. Okay, alright, I get it. See you soon, bye.
Oma, what's the meaning of this?
You just got served from the same menu you pointed at. Enjoy your meal. Oma, you are very wicked. You are very heartless. Where have I wronged you?
Bad people, bad human. They're sticking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday. So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Bad woman, bad.
Hi, sweetie. How are you?
I'm good.
You're looking cute.
You too. That's so beautiful. Come on.
Thank you.
Sit down, baby. Sit down, baby. Oh. The queen herself. Wow. I heard my son is back.
Mike, stop. Stop calling him that so that you don't make the mistake of calling him that outside. You need to be careful.
But he is my son.
Nobody is disputing that. Just be careful, that's all. And that is not why we're here, is it?
When are they going to crown him king?
The king is yet to be buried. I will get him married 1 week after the funeral. Are you okay?
That's cool. That's cool by me. I can't wait to see my son, my blood, become the king of Anaba. My own blood. You don't know how it feels, baby.
Mike, I just hope there's no curse ahead of us.
Curse? Are you scared?
I am human who has committed an abomination, so I am bound to be scared of the implications.
Come on, baby. There are no implications. Nothing. Okay? It's all superstition. It's all in your mind. Yes. Might is right. Might is right.
Are you sure?
Definitely. Come on, take that out of your mind. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Don't you have no shame? These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Every day, every night, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah.
With Mike, there's no tension. There's nothing to be scared of.
I got you.
What's that? Who's that?
What are you doing here? My queen. What are you doing here?
Who the hell is she? Who are you?
My queen, I'm sorry. Get out. It's the wrong room.
Get the hell out of here!
Oh my God. No, I didn't see this. Queen Asa and Dr. Mike? Hey! No wonder the king died after taking that sin. Queen Asa and Dr. Mike.
Baby, how did she get in here?
You should have locked the door.
I didn't lock it.
Are you asking me? Are you asking me?
I thought that. Oh my God. Come on, baby. See, come. It's nothing. It's nothing. I assure you.
No, you don't understand. You don't.
Come. Come to me. Come on, this is Mike. Come on, baby. Sit down.
You don't understand.
Sit down first. Sit down. Come on, baby. There's nothing to be scared about. Nothing. I'm telling you.
She's my maid.
Your maid? And so?
She would tell on me.
No. This is Mike. Yes. Mike, the solution master. We can stop her from talking.
How?
Yes. You ask me how. We can shut her up. Yes. Nobody can stop you from achieving your goals in life. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. 1,000 people stand in your way. You do the needful. Come on, stop mourning, baby. Stop mourning. You're with Mike, okay? Nothing's gonna happen. You're with me. Come on. I will take care of her. Where does she stay?
She's a bad woman.
Girl, I know she's inside, alright? Can you please help me talk to her?
What do I tell her?
I need her to hear my own side of the story.
You see, I don't want to get involved. You two are adults, and I believe you both can sort out things. Or better still, end the so-called relationship.
Are you not? Did you call our relationship a so-called?
Prince Obi, you're very, very arrogant. And I don't need to remind you that this is my father's house, and you don't have any right to talk to me anyhow.
Did you just talk to me like that?
I am not Princess Brenda.
One more word from you, I will slap the living daylight out of your eye. Are you mad?
My sister made the greatest mistake of her life, wasting time with you.
Ote, did you just hear this girl?
Very loud and clear, my prince. Loud, very loud and clear.
Loud and clear.
Very loud.
You did nothing.
Can I go and beat?
My friend, come and take me out of here.
Are you want me to go, sir? Okay.
My girl.